Malasigi, Pangasinan, Baguio, and Pangasinan. Hello.
Hello po.
Yeah, how does it feel that we're already finished the press con?
Personally, I'm really grateful that I've been experienced this kind of momentum right now, and yeah, grateful lang talaga sa mga nangyayari, and I'm very excited what's happening next.
You've joined local, isn't it?
Yes, local only. So I won a TRAB 2025. That's in Baguio. It's Hotel Restaurant Association Baguio. So that's the only pageant I've joined, and this is the next level. So it's amazing, but we're here and we're happy and we're ready.
How's the experience? Is it your first time also?
This is my fourth time na nag-join sa pageant. First sa school, and secondly the Mr. Northern Philippines way back 2023. And the third one is the Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide 2023. And lastly, the King and Queen of the Pacific International na ginanap sa Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia.
Okay, guys, we have a very intriguing question right now, and that is, it is a fact that Mr. World is not just looking for a great, good-looking man, but also you are also focusing on advocacy. But Gloria Diaz, I think you know her. Gloria Diaz stated that advocacy is just a decoration on the stage. So what's your contrast narrative to that statement?
For me, since it is a beauty pageant, so first it's kind of beauty first, but then again, I will kind of contradict that. Personally, for advocacy is really essential nowadays, because there's a lot of issues in our, for example, in our government or in the people around us. And if you have the advocacy, because Mr. World Philippines is not just about a beauty pageant, it is not an ordinary pageant than anyone else. It is an extraordinary pageant that focuses more than the crown. They are looking for the ambassadors for your advocacy. So it's more than, maybe more than the looks. The purpose of the heart is really essential.
I like to totally disagree with the statement, because we could say that some pageanteers or some people would use it as a decoration, but I've had this advocacy for all my life, so I couldn't agree with whatever statement was said. But I get her sentiments as to why some candidates would use their advocacy just to get on the international stage. But for me, my advocacy is harmony with hope. So it's catering to the younger generations and helping them find their passion and purpose in life through music. Because I am a musician myself, and during my high school life, it is. I think I really believe that music unites us in whatever way it is. There's something weird that I can't explain myself, but it just connects and unites us all. So I'm really passionate about my advocacy, and it's something I'd like to bring on the international stage if given the chance.
Tulad ko, ang advocacy ko is sa health and wellness. So we all know naman na this generation are very prone sensitive when it comes to disease, di ba? It because of their bad eating habits and poor lifestyle. And of course, as an athlete enthusiast, I want to use my capability to teach themselves. Siyempre, first, gamitin natin yung social media para maturuan sila. Dahil naniniwala ako na pagkakaroon ng magandang health ay ang health is wealth, rather.